to Raptor Tax Fun videos for kids, and welcome to my first ever science project video. So today we're going to make an erupting volcano here. So here we have a cardboard box. All you need to do to make the volcano is all you need is tape, a cup, and a cereal box. So I used a cereal box and I cut off part of it off one side and just glued it together, okay? My sister will now go and get the other side of the cereal box to show you. And all you need to do is add a cup to it and then attach the tape. It's looking like the tape isn't sticking very well. Here's the other side of the cereal box. See, I just cut it off. Yep, there we have that. And could you please go get this tape? I think there's one on the blue chair. Oh, or you got the other one. Yep. So, I'm just going to put some tape right across there. Okay. And then you just stick about this size of cup, any type of cup, into here. And then we have a half a cup of baking soda and some vinegar. All you need is baking soda, red and yellow food coloring, or orange if you have it, but I only have red and yellow. You also need a cup and a cereal box and some tape. Okay, so we have a cup of baking soda in here. Oh, a half a cup. We have a half a cup of baking soda in here. And then we have some vinegar. We have about, you don't need any type of measurements, anything above a half a cup is pretty much all that you need. There's a little spider, I'm going to squish it. Okay, so let's get started on making the erupting powder. That's what I call it. So, let's take 2 squirts of yellow and 2 squirts of red. And now I mix it up. Now, I've made this before. My sister had one. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I just did one. Yep. So now we're going to make mine. She did an erupting tower, not a volcano. She wanted to do a tower, I wanted to do a volcano. Okay. I've also done another type of volcano way before I had a YouTube channel. And I used citric acid and baking soda. So now we're going to try this vinegar and baking soda. I've heard that it works, so let's try it.
It worked on mine.
Yep.
It didn't really do anything.
And then you're just gonna add this until it works. Now, since my videos are all for kids, you will need adult help. So yes, you're gonna need adult help if you're a little kid. If you're an adult, if you're an adult, then fine. Of course, you don't need adult help. But for little kids, I would definitely say there needs to be an adult helping. Okay? So you need an adult to help measure it and cut the box and get the vinegar and baking soda. I know the vinegar kind of stinks. You can use... Instead of, if you don't like vinegar, you can use citric acid and baking soda and mix it together with food coloring, the same as we're doing right here. And then just add water to it, and it doesn't stink. It looks like orange soda, but this will probably look like orange soda too. That's pretty orange, don't you think? Pretty orange. I'm just going to add a little bit more.
It feels like...
Just a drop.
It feels like...
Just a drop.
It feels like bath bomb stuff.
Yeah. Bath bomb
Right here. And spin it.
And you might want to wear gloves so you don't stain your hands, because then I see that kind of that's what's happening. So if you haven't already started, you probably, if you don't want your hands to be stained, you'd probably use some gloves. Okay, now that we have that, we're going to take the cup and we're going to scoop this up as much as you can get, because we want it to be a big eruption. I couldn't find any just white cups, so we're gonna have to use a Finding Dory one. But that's fine, it's in the volcano, we can't really see it. There we go. Just a little bit here. It is very messy. You definitely want a baking sheet or something. Okay, now see, got most of the baking soda in. And now, scoot my camera back so you can really see it good. Okay, here we go. This is the good part. Pour some of the vinegar in. Well, it didn't do a lot. Let's try some more. Pour the whole thing in. Not really. Let me kind of stir it up. I'm going to use a knife to kind of stir it up. Oh yeah, that's definitely. But I guess you could use a full cup of baking soda, because this isn't really working good. But it really dripped down this side. So I soaked it in.
That part looks like Sprite. Because of all the fizz bubbles.
Here's some more baking soda. But sorry about that, guys. It doesn't really work. Don't really know what to say about that. I was really hoping this would work. Let's put it on that. See how orange that stuff is? Look in there. That's a lot. See that, guys? That's what should have come out. So actually, before you start, use a cup of baking soda. This is kind of fun. So yeah, use a cup of baking soda. That really does work a lot better. So, new rules, I guess. Put this up here. Okay.
It looks like a desert.
Kinda. Let's see. When baking soda hits vinegar, it kind of reacts to it. So that's what should have happened with our volcano, but it didn't really work. Could you please go get the vinegar? So I wonder if it will work. Maybe, just maybe it will work like this. Okay, my sister's going to, oh, it's right here by the door.
This is not open. It's heavy.
I'm just going to pour a little bit of vinegar. Whoa, look at that. Okay. I'm just going to, let's move this volcano. I'm going to try to pour it back into the cup.
It smells like Easter egg dye.
Yep, it does. Because there's vinegar in the Easter egg dye. We're going to try it again. This time, let's see if, because the baking soda didn't really, like, pretty much it didn't
Do that much.
Yeah, okay. It didn't mix up very well. There we go, guys. That's what it's supposed to do. Now that's a volcano. That's what it's supposed to do.
Whoa!
And look, you even see like bubbles coming off of it that look like steam. That's so cool, guys. That is awesome. So, thank you for watching to the end. See, look, looks like orange soda. So, thank you guys for watching till the end of this video. I really appreciate it. I hope you had fun with the science project. Whoa, that is just really cool. Well, it didn't work out at first, but once we added some more vinegar to it, it really did react. So, thank you guys again for watching my channel. If you did enjoy this, I have some crafting videos. If you did like this, I have how to make a shelf. Can you stop making noise? I have how to make a shelf out of some toy, like a package from a toy. I also have how to make a dinosaur scene, which is pretty cool.
And how to draw a velociraptor.
Yep, how to draw a velociraptor. I do loads of dinosaur videos. So, thanks again. Let's see what's inside here. That's the baking soda in there. That is pretty cool.
Just doing, I'm probably gonna get a YouTube channel soon. So,
yeah, we've been trying to get her a YouTube channel, but it's her tablet does weird stuff. She's got like a funny tablet. It just doesn't do what it's supposed to do.
But it has some fun games.
Yep. So thanks again.
Oh, and my channel is called Ori Cat's Fun Videos for Kids.
Yep. And she doesn't have a channel yet. But if you do like my videos, definitely try to check out hers.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot like my sister's, but a lot more girly stuff in it.
Okay, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos. And give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.